Hello, good morning students. Let us see one very good problem students on the equilibrium. Dear student, if you find this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and comment students. Okay, please. So one question is, consider the following reaction in which all the reactants and products are in the gaseous state. So 2pq, it is giving rise p2 plus q2 is students, and that is k1 is equal to 2.5 into 10 की power 5. You can write here is kc is equal to what will come student p2, then it will come q2 divided by pq, this will be the square. Okay, now the second point is what is there student, what the second point is, this much is okay. Then they have given pq plus half r2, they are checking pq plus 1 by 2 r2, it is that is what is that is pqr, k2 for this is 5 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so if kc you can write that is, or you can write k1, this one, this is the, this will be the k2. So what is that is pqr, okay student, pqr divided by pq in one bracket and r 1 by 2 another bracket. So this is there, and for this the value is already given. Then lastly they are saying for the value of k3, they are asking k3. So if you are calculating k3 for what student, k3, the equation they have given is student pq, not pq student, one more equation they have given student, the equation is 1 by 2 p2 plus 1 by 2 q2, it is giving plus 1 by 2 r2, it is giving p q r, right? For this, if you are writing k3 student, what is there, p q r, this is coming, then it is coming p2 power 2 power 1 by 2, q2 power 1 by 2, r2 power 1 by 2. Okay, dear student, how can we be able to calculate pqr? From where we can get? From this equation we can get student pqr. So pqr, if you are taking pqr is equal to, pqr is equal to what you will find student, k2, okay, pq, k2 pq and r 1 by 2, r 1 by 2. Okay, so it will come student k2, okay, here it is coming, firstly it is coming what student, that is k2, then it is coming what is we wrote pq, r power pq, okay, and then r power 1 by 2, r power 1 by 2 divided by what is there student, p2 1 by 2, q 1 by 2, r2 1 by 2. Up dear student, r2 1 by 2, r2 1 by 2 is cancelled out. So what is left out? k3 is equal to, it is left k2 pq, right, divided by p2 1 by 2, okay, and q2 it will be the 1 by 2. From where this will get student, from where you will be able to get? So k1 if you see, k1 is what is, okay, p2 q2 and pq 1 by 2, it is there. So if you reverse this student, if you are reversing, okay, so reverse equation 1, if you are reverse equation 1, so what you will get student, equation 1 is here, that is this one, p2 plus q2 2pq, p2 plus q2 giving rise, okay, 2pq, no, this is 2pq. Up dear student, that is okay, that is okay. And what you do student, this is the, they are saying half is there and here is only pq. So what you do, you square it out, square this if you are doing student in this one, what you have, because it is the pq is there student, pq, and here is p half, p half. So what will be what you will be able to do student in this one, you cannot do the square student, you do the half. So 1 by 2 p2 plus 1 by 2 q2 is equal to 1 by 2 means 2 to cancel out, that is PQ. Okay, so on reversing it is getting, we are getting this one on reversing we are able to get. So K3 is equal to, okay, we reverse student, so K2 upon reversing it will coming K1, but it is half is there, half means that is root K1. Okay, so you put out the value, K2 value how much student, K2 value is 2, no, this is the, if you are going K2, this is 5 into 10 power minus 3, that is 5 into 10 power minus 3. K1 value, you see student, K1 value how much is there, 2.5 into 10 power 5, it is 2.5 into 10 power what student, 5, this much is there student. Now student, you remove the, first of all you try to remove this. Okay, so how can you remove student, that is 5 into 10 power minus 2 divided by, remove the decimal, so root of 25 into 10 power 2. So if you are 5 into 10 power minus 2, no, minus 2 is there or minus 3 is there student, minus 3, okay, divided by, this is root 25 value 5, okay, and this is 4 student, no? And that is root 4 value square 4 value, that is 2. So what will happen student, this cancel out, so that is 1 into 10 power minus 5, this is coming 1 into 10 power minus 5. So correct option we have to check out student, this is the 42, the option number third is the correct student. Third means, let us see which is the third one, 1.0 into 10 power 5 minus 5. Here is also we got, that is 1.0 into 10 power minus 5. So dear student, you need to solve 2-3 times student, then only you will be able to understand this type of equations. Okay, this is very easy student. Thank you so much for watching dear friends.